I smell a brain blast.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3. I call him Cheesy. Can I check my email? I want to make sure my cheese of the month is on its way. Okay. You accidentally left $1 in my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
I don't. Why are you winking at me? Why did you give me $1? My brain hurts.
Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap.
Jimmy, girls aren't so bad. I mean, they have good communication skills and they almost never beat you up after school. I call him Cheesy.